guys, today I am filming my 365 days of sample series intro for 2021. This is a series I've been doing on my channel for several years now, originally inspired by LS, and I love this series because it really makes me focus on my very large collection of hair, skin, and body deluxe size samples. I will be doing a collection and inventory video pretty soon so you guys can see what I'm working with. And I'm happy because I've been able to cut down my collection a lot over the years due to using a lot of things up, and I no longer get Sephora Play because it doesn't exist, and I haven't gotten as many Ulta freebies, which is where a lot of these products came from. And about a week ago, I did post the finale for my 2020 project, and in that video, I did go through and tell you out of all of the samples I tried last year, which ones would I actually consider purchasing in the full size. So if you want to check that out, it will be linked in the cards. So now we're just going to jump into the intro where I'm going to let you know what things I'm going to be working on for this next month or until I use them up. And some of these are rollovers from last month. Some of them are brand new. Also, since my finale, I did use up 4 more products, and I also chose to declutter several more things. I will show you that at the end as well. So just starting with hair products, the current shampoo and conditioner I'm using would be 2 products that are not from the same line or brand. So for the shampoo, this is the System Repair Shampoo. I'm loving this so far. I'm about halfway done. And the conditioner I'm pairing it with is the Redken All Soft Mega Conditioner. I got this in a freebie set on its own. Usually I try to use a shampoo and conditioner together, but both of these were like individual products, so I am working on the both of them. This one I've only used like 3 times so far. This one, like I said, is halfway done, but I use a lot of conditioner, so I might finish these at the same time. And I'm going to go ahead and show you the shampoo and conditioner set I'm going to be using next, just in case I do finish both of those before my next update. So the next ones I will be using would be the Dry Bar Southern Belle Volume Boosting Shampoo and Conditioner. I've used foil samples of this before, but I don't think I've used deluxe sizes of it. Then I also have this pretty large foil sample of the DP Hue Apple Cider Vinegar Scalp Scrub. So I would like to try this out as well. This is something I'm only going to be able to use like once a week, so I just have to put it in my shower like right after this video to make sure that I actually follow through with that. Then for my leave-in hair product, I am using the Bumble BB Hairdresser Invisible Oil Heat UV Protective Primer. I absolutely love this product. The scent is amazing. I love the consistency of the product. I'm about down to here. So this might take me 2 more months to use up. So now on to skincare. For makeup remover, the first one I have is the Lancome by Facil makeup remover. I used up so much of this past month in comparison to the progress marks from previous months, and that's because there were some days where I used this to completely remove eye makeup. There were other days where I used this with a Q-tip to touch up eye makeup or remove leftover mascara or eyeliner, and I also use this to remove swatches a time or 2. So this is where I was at my last update, and this is where I am now. So that's a ton of progress. I still think it might take me 3 more months to use it up. Just because I had a good month doesn't mean the rest of the months are going to look like this. It's a great product. You guys know if you watch my channel, I just don't use liquid makeup remover. And the next one that I'm working on is this mini of the Farmacy Green Clean Makeup Meltaway Cleansing Balm. And I used this for the first time today. It has a little makeup in it. I used this for the first time today because this is my second video of the day. This is so good. I really love this so far. So I am hoping I can get several uses out of this, and I think that I can. A little bit seemed to go a long way earlier. So I know a lot of people have raved about this for forever, and I've never tried it, so really enjoying that so far. Then for my cleanser, I'm using the Kate Sommerville Exfolikate cleanser, and I'm down to here. So I don't have too much product left. I definitely think I can have this finished off by next month, which would be great. And I do want to then move on to, or probably going back and forth to test this out. This is my next oldest cleanser. It's a full size. This is the Pixi Vitamin C Juice Cleanser. It's a very interesting concept. The texture literally looks like water. This looks more like a micellar water to me than a cleanser. And now this, I'm reading the back. Now that I'm reading the back, it says a brightening cleansing water. So I will try this. I will see how I like it best, because micellar water to me, I would use as a makeup remover. I mean, you can tell I don't use micellar water very often. So how would you guys use this? As a cleanser, as a makeup remover, a toner? I really don't know. So I will try it out. I'll try it multiple ways and let you know if I like it. If I don't like it, it will go. I'm not going to force myself to use up a full size of something, because that will take me ages. So hopefully I can have this finished off by next month and have some good thoughts on this Pixi cleanser to report back to you guys. For scrubs, I didn't bring it out here, but I am using a full size of the Mario Badescu Botanical Exfoliating Scrub. Then for my toner, I wanted to throw this in because I'm almost done with it. This is the Peach and Lily, the Good Acids Pore Toner. And I am right here. This has like a pretty thick glass bottom, so the product stops right there. So it is possible that I could have this finished off by next month, which would be great, just okay for me. So I would like to get that used up. Then for serum type products for the daytime, I'm going to be using the Belif Hungarian Water Essence. Not my favorite, but I do like it enough to use it up. Then for nighttime, I will be using the Sunday Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. And I've decided that I also would like to use an oil on top of my primer. Right now, I don't have too many mini size serums left, which is great, but I have several oils and I don't love using oils. And something I learned from TikTok is that you actually do like serum, moisturizer, and then an oil. You don't have to use an oil instead of a serum. So I would love to use them both to work on two products at once. So that's what I'm going to try. So I haven't used this one yet. I will start using it now. This is the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate. I've heard good things about this, and I do have one more little mini. So depending on how I feel about this one, I might keep the other mini to use up or pass it on. Then for moisturizers for the daytime, I have a good size mini here of the Drunk Elephant Protini Polypeptide Cream. This has half a fluid out, so this I think is going to take me a while to get through. It's also a nice like gel consistency that I don't need to use too much of. Then for nighttime, I'm using the Tarte Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost. Not my favorite, but I can use it up, and I've been using it for a little while now. And this is how much I have left. So hopefully I can finish this by next month, but we'll see. Then for eye cream, I'm currently using a mini of the Tarte C Wink of H2O Vegan Collagen Eye Cream. I'm actually really liking it so far, but you don't need very much. This will probably take me a couple months to get through. Then I have a couple samples I would like to use. The first is the GlamGlow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. You guys know I'm really terrible about masking, but usually I can get like 2 uses out of these, so I think I can commit to that. And then this other sample is a rollover from last month that I didn't really use. This is the Dior Lip Glow. So you have the balm and the oil. I did use the balm just once, so I would like to focus on using those samples up. For body products, I do have a lotion. So 2 months ago, I had in the Soap and Glory lotion. I never tried that before, and for some reason I thought it had like a warm scent to it. It doesn't really. It's pretty florally, so I decided to put that back in my collection, and I will focus on that one around spring. But the one I pulled out to use instead is the First Day Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. I've used this up before. It is nice and hydrating, and it has no scent, so I thought this would be really good for the winter time. And I've already been using a significant amount of it, and I am all the way down here, so not too much products left. I think I can definitely get this used up next month if I use it like I should be. And lastly, we have perfumes. These are the last 2 perfume samples in my collection. I have them in this little Derma-E sponge cup that I'm obsessed with. So the 2 perfumes I have in here that I would like to use up would be Dior Joy and Princess by Kilian. And then I would like to focus on a mini bottle of a perfume, and I actually have 2 of these mini bottles, and this one is a couple years old, so that's why I want to get through it. This is a 7.5 mil or 0.25 fluid ounce bottle of YSL Black Opium, and I'm really like right at the top of that window. And this is something that I would like to focus on for January and February, and then I'd probably put it to the side and try to finish it up in December of this year. I don't know if I'll be able to get through the whole thing. I'm not wearing a ton of perfume because I'm at home mostly, but we will see what kind of damage I can make on this. But I definitely want to finish up these perfume samples, and these are going to be more of a focus because I know it's something I can realistically achieve. So those are all the things that I will be working on for this next month. Now to review the 4 things I've used up since my finale. The first would be the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. This is just a mini jar. It has 0.5 ounces. I used this up yesterday. I love this because it completely breaks down all my face and my eye makeup. I do really get into my eyes, to my lash line I should say, to make sure I'm getting all that liner and mascara out. So some of this does get into my eyes. It does cloud my eyes a little bit, but then the product kind of washes out. But it doesn't burn my eyes, which I think is really impressive. Love this stuff. I already have a full size, and this is something I will definitely continue to repurchase. It's really good, and it is gonna be part of the Ulta Skin event this year. I think it's the 7th or the 9th, whatever is the Saturday. Let me look it up really quick. The 9th is the Saturday. This is going to be available half off, so I am going to get another one of them because I think they're just so good. The next thing I finished was the Tatcha Water Cream, which is a good daytime moisturizer for oily skin. And I tried this previously and I really liked it. When I tried it again this time, it was just okay for me. The Belif True Cream Aqua Bomb is my favorite daytime moisturizer, and if I'm going to pay a high-end price for a daytime moisturizer, I'm going to pick the Belif over the Tatcha, so this is not something I'd repurchase. Then I used up this doTERRA On Guard Sanitizing Mist. I've mentioned before, my mom is a seller of doTERRA, so I just get stuff from her. I don't really get into all the oils, but the thing that I do really recommend and continue to use up would be the On Guard Sanitizer, the beadlets, and the gel capsules. I've been using all of those things a lot to help keep me as safe as possible. So I already have another one of these that I'm using, and I really like that it's a spray. And the last thing I used up is this really janky bottle of Bath & Body Works shower gel. This has actually been at my parents' house in my mom's shower for 2 years, and I use it every time I go over there. But then she does not use Bath & Body Works anymore. She uses like doTERRA stuff. So I was like, I'm just gonna take this to my house and finish it because it is too old. So I really enjoyed the scent of this. It is a mix of peaches and pear and sun-drenched oak. It smells really good. Not a scent I would repurchase though. My favorite scents are Winter Candy Apple and Country Apple. I just love those more than this one, but I did enjoy it and I really like the formula. And then we've got the things that I'm decluttering. So I have one skincare product I tested that I'm going to declutter, and this is the Kiehl's Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil Herbal Concentrate. I have been using this as an oil for the past couple of days, and while it makes my skin feel nice, I cannot stand this cannabis scent. It's just gross to me, so I'm going to be passing this on to someone else. Then I'm getting rid of a ton of leave-in hair products, and I actually haven't used any of these. These are all going to be going in giveaways or to friends. I went through my texturizer hair products and decluttered a bunch of those in my finale, but then I went through my leave-in conditioners to get rid of more because, like I said, I am filming that inventory soon and I would like to get rid of things that I know I don't need, and the collection I still have left is going to take me years to get through, but those are all some of my favorite formulas or ones I really want to try. So these are the ones I just knew I could let go of out of what I have. And like I said, I haven't tested these, so I don't have any thoughts to share with you. So first I'm getting rid of 2 of these baby bottles of the Moroccan oil treatment, which has 10 mils. the Kenra Platinum Invisible Top Coat, which is a smoothing humidity resistant spray, the Alterna Caviar Replenishing Moisture Priming Leave-In Conditioner, the Joico Defy Damage Protective Shield, Lemon Proof Full Thickening Cream. This is a big size, it's 2 ounces. This is a full size. It's the DP Hue Apple Cider Vinegar Leave-In Hair Therapy. And this is the Redken Extreme Play Safe 450 degree fortifying heat protectant treatment for hot tool damage. So I'm sure all those products are really good, and of course I'm tempted to keep them, but I just know how long it takes me to get through those products, and I would prefer to keep the ones that I have, so I'm happy to pass them on brand new. So guys, I know that was a lot coming your way just for an intro, but I'm excited to work on these products this year, and I really can't wait for you guys to see my collection video. I think you're going to be surprised by how much I have, so just to prepare you, and I will be comparing my numbers to the beginning of 2020, and while I didn't film that video, I did count all the numbers and they were not good. So anyway, I want to thank you all so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye guys.